So hello guys, welcome to TechWorks. So from this video we are going to start our new computer course, which is basic computer course, or we can call it CCC course also. The topics covered in this course will be MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and MS Access. Okay, these two are not taught in this course, but as an additional we will teach this also. MS Access is also not included in most of the places, but I will also teach you that. So from this video we are going to start this course. First, that is our MS Paint. Let me give you some information about basic knowledge of our computer. What is the basics of our PC? So first, there is start button in your PC. There is start button. There is reset button in your PC, which will restart your computer. Next, you will have USB ports in your PC. Then this is called the processing device, where all the processing is done in the CPU and the main cabinet. Then we have keyboard, mouse and your display, your monitor. These are the main things that you need when you run a system. Then additionally you can have speakers or headphones or whatever you want, additional storage devices like pen drive, etc. And talking about the parts, the systems, chips that are installed in our CPU, so we will talk about that in our next part. There we will discuss Notepad as well as these topics. So from this video, let's start MS Paint. So to start MS Paint, go on Windows logo. You can search here Paint, or you can directly write PAINT, Paint. Now in Windows 10 you will see two types of paint, Paint 3D and Paint. We will go on Paint, which is from MS Word. Here, let me introduce you to MS Paint. Here you can draw figures, pictures, diagrams, anything you want to draw, you can draw here. Let's understand the menus. There are three menus here: File, okay, Home and View. Let's first introduce File. Now in File menu you have New, Open, Save, Save As. From New you can select a new file, open a new file. From Open you can open a already saved file. From Save you can save the file, okay. From Save As you can save the file again as in other formats, or in again you want to save, you can save that. From Printing you can print it or take it out externally through your printer, or you can print it to a PDF. Send an email, you can email this document also. Next we have Set as Desktop Wallpaper. Through this we can set the image created here in Paint as desktop wallpaper. Now next we have Exit, through which we can exit from MS Paint. Starting with the Home menu, we have Paste, through which we can here Copy, through which we can copy anything and paste it again. Cut, through which we can cut or remove and paste it. Select, there is rectangular selection tool, free from selection, select all, invert selection, delete and transparent selection. As we will make figures, then I will teach how these all work, okay. Crop is to crop the image, resize is to resize the selected image, selected part. Rotate is to rotate our figure or rotate our selected part, that is rotate 90 degrees right, 90 degrees left, rotate 180 degrees, flip vertical, flip horizontal. Next we have Pencil, through which we can draw anything. This is like free from. Then this is Paint Bucket, through which we can paint, like I want to fill orange color, then I will select orange color and click on the screen. This will fill. Now white, then this will white. Then this is for text. It is called text. From here we can write anything like text. If I want to write here text, okay, first select the color, like select black. Now select text works. Okay, just like this you can add text to your document. Next we have Eraser. Here we have Eraser, okay. From this we can erase the lines or whatever you have drawn in your figure. Like this, how I can erase the text. You can erase anything you have drawn here. Like this you can erase lines also. If you have filled color like this and you have to carve something here or shape something here precisely, then you can use this eraser also here, okay, just like this. Next we have Magnifying tool, this, through which you can magnify into your picture. Now to zoom out, this is like a zoom in. Now to zoom out, click here on minus sign, you will zoom out, okay. Next we have Color Picker. This is called color picker. If I want to pick this color, I will select it and see here is the color. Okay. If I want this white color, I will click on white color like this, and here it is selected white color. Next we have brush. Let's select black color first. There are different types of brushes. Let's select this first one. This is like simple brush. Okay. Gray color, this color, green, any color you can select. Okay. Next you have this calligraphy board or calligraphy pen, through which you can write like an ink pen or a fountain pen, or draw like this. Okay. You can select any of the color you want. Next there is also another, but this is on the opposite direction. Okay. Next we have this spray paint, through which we can spray or paint like this. Okay. Next we have this one brush. Through this is like paint brush. Okay. Which we will normally do on our pictures and practically. This is like crayons. Okay. Next we have this marker. Let's first change the color. Okay. Let me set the color one like this. This is like marker. Okay. Next we have this pencil colors. You must have used them in your childhood. Next we have this again brush. This is also like a brush, but it is lighter in tone. Okay. It will become lighter. If you click harder, it will become dark. Okay. Next we have this shape tools. Let's first clear all the things here. To clear all the things, what we will do is, from here we will go here, select this, from select rectangular selection. Now select everything by dragging, by clicking on your, holding on your left click and selecting everything. Now we will click delete. This will delete everything. Okay. If anything is left, you can delete it again. Now from tools, this is line tool, this is curved line, this is oval or circle, this is rectangle, this is rounded rectangle, this is custom tool, custom shape tool, from which you can select like this. I want to make a shape like this, I can make like this. This is like a custom shape. Okay. You can click anywhere and make your own shape. By double clicking, it will complete the shape. Next you have triangle. This is like a right angle triangle. This is diamond, pentagon, hexagon, right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Okay. Control A, delete. This will select and delete all your things on your paint. Control A means select all and delete means delete. Next you have here 4-point star. This is 5-point star. This is 6-point star. This is comment box. Here we see on comic books. This is also like that. This is another, but you can use this as clouds also. Most of the people use this as clouds. This is heart, and this is your electricity, or what we call that symbol, lightning symbol. Okay, lightning symbol. Next we have this outline tool, through which you can change the outline like this. I want crayon outline, so you can see here the outline is changing. I will select crayon. See, the outline has changed. If I click marker, then you can see it is changed again. Natural pencil, see, this is changed. Watercolor, it is changed again. Okay. Next fill tool. Here through this you can fill any thing, just like I selected this and clicked on fill and crayon fill. So you can see it has changed like this. Now again fill and solid color, it will change like that. Here you can see it is filled with white color. Here you can see. Now if I want to change it, I can change like taking this paint bucket and select this yellow, and I can change like this. Now I want to fill everything. I will select just like this, everything, click on that, and it will change the color. Now if you click on line, then it will change the line also. If I click on the star here, lines of the star, then see it has changed. Okay. Next we have this size tool, through which you can adjust the size. Just like here I have this, I select black outline. Now if I want thin border, I will select 1px, this thin. If I want thick, then I will select this. Okay. If I want medium, I can select this. This is your choice. Next we have two color sets. From this you can select your color. This is color 1 foreground color and this is color 2 background color. Okay. Next we have this color palette colors. Here are most of the colors. You can edit your color also like this. If I want cyan color, then I will select here and I'll go somewhere here and add to custom colors. If I click OK, here you can see this is our cyan color, just like this. Okay. If you want white background, you can select like that. Now you have Edit with Paint 3D. This is available only in Windows 10 and the upper versions in Windows 7. It can also be available in Windows 8, but in Windows 7 it is not available. Okay. And if you want it, if I teach you, then let me know in the comments. I will teach you in that next part. Okay, if you comment down. Now let's move on to view. Here you have zoom in, zoom out. Same thing you can do from here. Okay, from here plus minus, that will zoom in and zoom out. Here is 100%. If I am somewhere around 800% on zoom, okay, I select like that, I can see big figures. Now by selecting 100%, see it has selected 100% zoom. Okay. Next we have ruler. You will see rulers here. Okay. If I uncheck this box, rulers will go. Grid lines, we will show grid line. Status bar, see the status bar here got hidden. Here we can see pixels or where is the coordinate of our cursor. In full screen, you can see full screen by pressing escape. So close. Okay, so these are all the menus. Now let's share some shortcut keys. So these are basic for all your courses. Okay, firstly Control A, it will select all. By pressing delete, it will delete everything. If I make something like this circle and make it black color or cyan color, now I can do one thing. I can select from here like this. Okay, selecting this. Now if I want to copy it, then I will select Control C, that is copy. We can do it from here also, and Control V, that is paste. We can do it from here also. Now that if I want to move both of them from here, so what I can do, select and I can move now. But if I want to do it through shortcut keys or whatever, if I want this figure in another document, what I will press is Control X. It will got cut from here, it will get removed from here. And if I want it anywhere else, like I want it in Word, okay, so I can get in my Word file also like this. Control V, here you can see it has came into Word file. Okay, so just like that you can cut it, and same thing goes on with your Control C and Control V also, that is copy and paste. Okay, now let's make some things, some figures. Take a straight line, press shift. By pressing shift, it will create a straight line. Now click left click on your mouse and select it like this. Now from outline we will click solid color, from here black. Okay, now go on brush and here select calligraphy brush 1. Now you can make any shape you want like this. It will create a good design. Okay, let's make something like this, and you can make a precise shape also. Okay, I am doing like this. Let's select this, select tool, select rectangular selection, or if you want this you can directly select from here. Now go on one corner, select everything, but be sure that you select it till this line also. Okay, not away from them. Now press Control C, Control V, that is copy and paste. Okay, if you will press right click here, then your image will get disappear. Now I have pressed it, so it is disappeared. Now right click here, go on rotate, flip horizontal. From this you can see it has made like this. Now keep it precisely over it. Okay, just like this. Now you can see it is looking good, but This line is annoying in the between, so let's erase this using eraser tool, just like this. See now how good the figure is now looking. Okay, from this you can make any type of designs you want. You can make the flag also through this, but it is little bit harder, but practice makes man perfect, so you can try that also. Now Control A, delete, it will delete the figure. Now let's make a snake like something from our, or you want to give shadow on your name. So let me teach that topic, then I will make that. Okay, firstly write your name using this text tool. Let's write tech works. Okay, now I am selecting bold here. First select the text, then select bold, and I am increasing handwriting 36. Make the box bigger so you can see the text. Now select here transparent. Now select the drop down menu here and go to transparent selection. Now select it. Now select it and press shift key, and with shift key press your left key and move your text. See how shadow is made. It is interesting. Let's make again, and this time I will show you like making a snake out of this, and at last I will literally make a snake also after this. That works. Okay, bold, handwriting 36. Select transparent selection, it is also already checked. Shift and like this. See how interesting it is looking. And this is like you are doing coding and the screen is full of codes and everything. Now this is just for fun purpose, but you can make this also. And here you can see the main we have written. Here it is. Now press Ctrl A and delete. Okay, next you can make shape snake like this. Now make a circle. I don't know actually to draw a snake, but let's try. Select the green color from here, or a color like this, anything, and select its eyes. I think so, like this. Ctrl C. Okay, it is deselected. Let's select it again. Now Ctrl C, Ctrl V. From here, let's take its eyes, and that is not in front. So from right clicking it, and to go on invert colors, it will invert color. Okay, see how colors are inverted. Invert selection. Here you can see this thing is kept and the other thing is inverted. Now let's select this again. Make it transparent selection. Here you can see the white color has came. So there is precisely everything done in this. Okay, now let's select transparent selection and select the only shape, because I want the same eye here. Okay, now you can move it like here. Now this is in behind, so that is in the words there are disadvantages. That's why in Windows 10 they are made with edit with Paint 3D. Okay, because there is no option here to take it to back or take it to front. Okay, so that's why it becomes harder for the user to make this. But yes, with this limitation, this Paint is also interesting. Okay, not bad. Copy, paste. Now let us make this like this. Here you can see we cannot bring it to front. This is a big problem here. Let's take it, transparent selection. Again, same thing. Okay, so from this you may understand that with paints you might lead to limitations. Okay, now I will have to make on my own. So let's make it. Let's select green color. Now it is also harder to make the same eye, so that must be a feature added. That's why it is made with Paint 3D. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn that also. I will teach you that. Now let's make its mouth like this. I am making a smiley actually. this is not like a snake at all. No worries, you can make a snake. You guys are genius. Let's select it. Transparent selection is selected. Now from shifting by pressing shift and left key, here you can see now it is like a snake. Okay, you can see that it is like too many bodies behind. If you go in speed, then it will make less photos. If you go slowly, it will make more photos. Okay, just like this. Okay, Control A, delete, and everything is deleted. Now let's make a flag by pressing shift and selecting line tool. Here it is. Now if your line goes slant, then you can select it from here, this dot. You can see a dot here white. From this you can select your line and move it anywhere. So let's make a straight line. If by mistake you remove the shift key, then you can do this. Now select the rectangular tool. Okay, select this rectangular tool. Go on here on top, just like this. Now copy this, or you can also make by on your own. Here this is not the disadvantage, because here you can select and copy, because it is not overlaying over others. Okay, here we don't want to overlay over it, because we can do directly here. I want to keep it over that, then there's a problem. Okay, keep it precisely on top. Okay, it's a mistake. Let's fix that. Okay, now that this is too much precise. Now here you must have selected rectangle. So here let's select rectangle and make a rectangle like here. You can select rounded rectangles also, that also look good, not bad. Next we will make the base. So for making base, let's remove this much area. Let's take another rectangle. Let's fix this first. Okay, just like this. You can zoom in. I am doing this because you might know how to use and where to use the feature. Now I have mistakenly done this. So to correct this, you might use the zoom tool, and from here go to home, use your eraser tool, and you can erase here. Now the eraser tool is too big, so we can also smaller that, but here in Windows 10 this feature is not given most of the times. Okay, because in every computer, Control minus, by selecting this, it will reduce the size of your eraser, and Control plus, this will increase the size. But in my case this is not working. Anyways, I have tried most of the times, so I will use the same thing here. Now I can fix this by pencil tool. So this may take time. Okay, but this is looking more perfect than last time. Or you can do what thing is, you can so it is not looking bad although, but you can do is press Ctrl Z. Now what is Ctrl Z? That is undo. Now doing this undo, it will restore your last progress. Okay, by doing undo, it will restore your last progress. Now I am doing this mistake so that I can teach you more features if what you will do if you have made a mistake. So that's why. Now let's make the bottom. Take a rounded rectangle like this. By pressing the arrows key, you can resize, or you can readjust where you want to keep it. Next I want another a little more big. Here you can keep it like here, and one more like this. Okay, somewhere like here, and it is perfect. Now fill the colors. Now I am making an Indian flag. Okay, this is an Indian flag, so let's fill. White is in between, obviously. Green here, saffron here. Okay, the brown stick and the brown base. Now to make the Ashok Chakra, let's make a circle in between, and this must be in blue color. Let's select blue color. Zoom in. Okay, let's zoom in out. And here, go more nearer. Take more zoom in. So this will through this you can make precisely. Now you can select the line tool, and by selecting line tool and shift tool you can make straight lines. Now the width is too much, so let's reduce the width. Okay, now this one 4, 5, like this you can make much of the above. To do it perfectly you can select like this or like this also. Take it from center, just like this. Now but what happened here, that the pixels are we are able to see the pixels. So when you will zoom out, you will see lines, okay, not pixels. Now I am not making too much lines because it will look like mess in a computer, because here you can see that already in 8 lines it is looking like too much filled. But yes, it is looking better. You can make more like this. From here, like this. Okay, like this. If you have clicked inside and it is showing you or it is by default or by mistake and click on eraser and remove that. Okay, so I am making this much lines also for now because we want to complete the video. So now here you can see the flag is perfect. Here you can see it is looking best. Let's select black color. Now pressing Ctrl A and there, this will deselect everything. So this was our MS Paint, and some features I think I have missed. So we will teach that in MS Paint 3D also. I can teach them also in that, or else let's complete them. In short, let's complete them. Let's take a rectangular tool. 1-2 features I think so I have left, so let's complete them. That's it for MS Word, not much like that. See, now from here select from free from selection. Here you can see select in your own method like this. If I want to select from here and from here like this, so I can select it like that, but by default it will select the whole shape. But I have made some circle here. I want to select this rectangle and this circle, but I don't want to select this circle, so I can select the free from selection, just like this. Okay, it will select only both of these, not the whole. Like here, so it will select the bottom. Like here, it will select this shape. So this is the one feature left. Next, these are features about text, but I think so we will learn them in MS Word also, because they are everywhere same, nowhere different. Because these are primary features, and everywhere you found that primary features. Like this you can find all bold, italic, underline, strike through. Okay, text, enlarge or your size, your type of text you want, color of the text, edit colors, and you can select your personal color, add to custom colors. Okay, here you can see like this. Opaque, if you want opaque, then from here you cannot see the background, and if you select transparent you can see your background also. Okay, so these are the 2 features remaining that I taught. So that's it for this video. We have completed MS Paint, and the next video we will go with MS Word, or we will go with MS Word Pad. Okay, more precisely we'll go with MS Word. And if you want to learn Paint 3D, let me know in the comments. I will teach you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you again in our next video. Bye bye.